Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So for today's video, I am going to be doing this really Christmas look. It's going to be a halo eye with some little, Christmas lights going around. And also at the end of this video, I am going to tell you guys something. So if you guys want to know what I have to tell you, and if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I already went in and did this side. I always like to do this side off camera. That way I don't take as much time. And I could explain to you guys a little bit better on this side. Okay, and then for the first shade that I am going to take is going to be this red, and this one's called You're Kidding. And I'm just applying it inside my crease and then just blending everything upwards. Guys, if my voice sounds really raspy, it's because I'm getting sick, so I could feel it right now. I am going to cut my crease. Usually I always go above my crease, but today I just want to do my natural crease. I'm going in with the P. Louise base. And after that, I'm going in with a smaller detailed brush and I'm just blending everything together. Since this is going to be a halo eye, I do want to start shaping it into a halo eye. And right here in the middle of my halo eye, I am going to set it with the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. And this one's the Mad About It. So now that I have that done, now I'm going to take this ColourPop eyeshadow, and this one's in this shade Valley Girl. Using the same brush that I used to blend everything together, I'm just going to go back and blend that into that eyeshadow. The eyeliner that I am using today is this one from NYX Cosmetics. And this one's in the shade Vivid Escape. The only bad thing about these NYX eyeliners is that they crack. They're really, really pretty, but oh my god. But they crack right away. You guys, so I don't know if you guys seen like on my pictures, it was a big mistake, but I waxed my face with my waxing machine for my brows. I don't even think it's the same, and I literally like broke out. I think it's been like 2 days that I haven't done my makeup because of the same reason. It's like really bumpy and ugly, and I was like, today I was like, you know what, that's it. It's weird because right here on this side, I don't know if you guys can see, but on this side it's like really smooth and like it just looks different. It's like a two-tone. Even whenever I apply my foundation, I was gonna say eyeshadow, whenever I apply my foundation, it looks ugly. It was so embarrassing. This past weekend we went out to eat and I had to have my hair down because you could literally see it. My husband's like, oh, I thought it was makeup. I was like, guys, my voice sounds like so raspy. Oh my god. I was even thinking about doing a voiceover, but I'm gonna try to finish it out. But okay, so to draw my cord, I'm going to use the NYX one, but this one's in the matte one. So all you're pretty much doing is like kind of like squiggly lines. And then to make this cord pop out a little bit more, I am going to go in with the NYX white eyeliner. So now I'm going to draw my light bulbs, and what I'm going to use to draw them out are going to be these eyeliners. don't know if you guys can see them good, but they are from suvabeauty.com. And this one's in the shade Blue Steel. This one's in the shade Scrunchy. This one's Acid Trip. This one's Aztec. And this one's Fanny Pack. It doesn't really matter like where you place it, just as long as, you know, it kind of looks like the lights, Christmas lights. Okay, so on my little light bulbs, I just went in with the NYX white eyeliner and I just kind of drew a thin line in the middle just so it can kind of look like a light. The lashes I am applying today are these. And these are from Lashaholics. So I came across some questions that you guys had. You guys were asking why I decided to start YouTube. And it's weird because I never really thought about doing YouTube. I remember I would stay at home, well, in my apartment. I used to live in an apartment whenever we barely moved to Texas. I was like so depressed in my apartment because we were on the 3rd floor and we had no backyard. I was always inside my apartment except whenever I would go and pick up my son. I always be there with my daughter. I worked the very first year that we were here in Texas, but it was really hard on me, like feeding my kids. Like I would work all day, morning through nighttime. It was just really hard. I would just get so depressed and I would think like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with my life? Like I have my degree in cosmetology, but I couldn't even work. Like I said, I worked the first year, but it was just really, really hard. I knew I loved like fashion and doing hair and makeup and all that stuff, but I still didn't know like what I wanted to do. So I would always pray for, you know, like God to lead me to the way where I should be. And it was weird, like one day I just like decided like, oh, I want to do YouTube. Like, why not? You know, like I enjoy doing makeup, I enjoy doing fashion, hair, all that stuff. Plus I get to stay home with my little girl, you know, right now, and, you know, just film videos. But I never even thought about, you know, like doing like call it editing and stuff. Like I just thought it was gonna be super easy, but no. I seriously think that you have to love doing YouTube, love doing like what you're doing, makeup, fashion, hair, all that stuff. Whatever you're doing, you have to love it in order for you to be successful, and you have to work really, really hard. A lot of people don't think about that because I know I didn't. Tell my husband I wouldn't trade it. Like, even if I get like 5 views, 10 views, 20 views, 100 views, it doesn't matter. Like as long as I love doing it, everything will fall into its place at the right time. Whatever it is, if you really love it and that's your passion, it shouldn't matter. Because no matter what, there's always gonna be haters. There's always gonna be people talking or like saying like, oh, did you see that eye look? Like it was, you know, like one side was better than the other side, or she sucks, or you know, like there's always gonna be people like that. So that shouldn't stop you from achieving your dreams. I'm really gonna explain to you guys everything that I'm doing just because you guys have seen me do everything. I just wanted to really focus like on my eye look because that was like the hardest. I'll just blend it out. And then I will be applying a little bit of glitter. I am going to be mixing these two, this one and this one. This one from mermaidskill.com. And it's in the shade Star Kiss. This one, I believe I purchased it off Amazon, so it doesn't even have like a name or anything. I'm going out with the NYX glitter glue. And then I'm just mixing both. And then last but not least, my Morphe setting spray. Smells so good. Okay guys, this is it. I hope you guys liked it. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to before you guys do leave this video. And then hit the little bell to get the notifications every time I do upload a new video. So I know I told you guys at the very beginning that I did have something to tell you guys at the very end of the video. So I wanted to let you guys know that I am collabing with another makeup artist. And her name on Instagram is the Jackie Flores. So if you guys want to go ahead and check her out. Me and her are collabing on this look. She's doing a green look and then I'm doing, this is the reason that I did this red look. We are doing a giveaway as well. And all you have to do is follow her Instagram and then follow mine. Subscribe to both of our channels because she does have a YouTube channel as well. And then tag 2 friends, and that's all you have to do in order for you guys to be entered for the giveaway. And the giveaway will end on Christmas Day, which is the 25th. I believe the 25th. I'm gonna go ahead and link down everything below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and follow her and then follow me. I'm gonna have my Instagram, my YouTube channel, my Snapchat, everything, all my social media on there as well as hers, that way you guys can go ahead and check her out. So we both partnered up to give you guys this beautiful palette that I have right here, and then this set of brushes as well. And this one's the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. It's a really beautiful palette and really beautiful brush set. So if you guys do want to enter, all you guys have to do is follow the rules. If you guys have any questions, you guys can message me or DM me, whatever you guys want. I'll make sure to answer any questions that you guys do have. Alright guys, well I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.